Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repost a post on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to repost any post, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app, and here you have to select the post which you want to repost. For example, I'm going to select any random post from here. As I'm going to repost this post, so you will get the repost option here. You have to simply tap on it and the post will be reposted, but in some cases you will not get any repost option here. So it might be that the post is on any private account, but the sender or the post maker can disable the repost option when he is creating the post. It might be that the repost option is disabled by the sender. So if you get the repost option here, so you can easily repost any post. Once you have reposted, you have to simply open up your profile in the bottom right corner, and here you have to refresh your profile. Once you have refreshed, you will get the repost option here. Simply tap on it, and here you will get all of your reposted posts. So that's how you can easily repost any post on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.